Hey guys, welcome back to my another video, and today's video will be on how you can create reels and how you can earn money from them. So stay with me till the end, and in the end I will tell you the best softwares that you can sell your digital products, right? And they are the legit products, legit softwares that I have seen. So let's get started. So currently I'm seeing many videos on the internet to create reels, and people are creating their reels, right? But there is an issue. They are using too many softwares, and for each step there's a different software, right? And if you are a beginner, then you have only one chance because you got less credits, right? You have not much credits to generate another image, to generate another. If you are a beginner and you need a modified prompt, right? And if you do wrong on your prompt and you need a modification, then the credits will lost, right? And you have to pay them, right? And this is not only one software you have to pay. You have to pay to many softwares for different things, right? But in this video I will tell you that how you can create reels for free, right? You don't have to pay to any software. So let me just show you the result first, and then we will start the video. All right, so here in this.
There is a handsome girl in a suit covered with bold tattoos who has to save the kids from these two smug boys who are also with black suits with bold tattoos and black glasses, and they are smiling like they can easily kill that girl. That handsome girl says, "Release the kids." The boys said, "If you have courage, then release them from us. But first, you have to face us." Fight begins. After an intense fight, the girl stands victorious over the defeated boys, her tattoos radiating triumph. She rushes to the kids who are tied up in the corner, her expression soft as she frees them.
So that is the output I created. That's a reel, right? And let me show you how. The first step is, if you are seeing my previous videos, then you know better. Then I am creating these images using the Flux model and Flux Realism Lora model, right? And so there's the code. If you've seen my videos, my previous videos, then you know about this code, right? And that is only a simple Flask code, right? I have using three models: Flux Step, Flux Nile, and Flux Realism, right? And I've tried both Dev and Nile, in my previous video I also used this realism model, and that is why I'm using again this realism model, because this model's result is insane. As you can see in the images are clear, are very like pure proper images, right? They have not such errors in the images, right? So the best result I have seen, Flux Realism model, right? And this model is free. You don't have to pay for this, right? And how you can do that, you know that, for using Hugging Face. So if you do not like this code, the code I have this created, that's the same code. If you go to the Hugging Face here, right, and you just have to write Flux Realism Lora, right, and it will open this page for you guys, and you just have to click on this deploy button and serverless API. So this is the same code that I write but I have just modified the code with the help of ChatGPT. I do not do anything, right? I just modified the code according to my need, because I need JSON request, and I'm comfortable with that, right? So if you just only need this code, right, you can just add the prompt here and you can get the image. And for token, it needs token, and you don't have to pay, right? So you just have to click on this manage tokens, and you can just create and you just click on this access token and create new token, and it will create a new token for you guys. So that's how you can use Flux Realism Lora model, right? And after that, the second step is, if you want to use that Hugging Face model, same model, then you just have to change the prompt. But in my case, I'm using the JSON request, and that is my JSON request. That is, first I'm using the Flux model. Which model I want to use, because I am using 3 models, right? And for my request, I'm using this Flux currently realism model, and that is my input. That is my prompt, which I do. For a sequence, if you want to create a sequence reel, just you watched my video, right? Watch my reel video. So as you can see, that is the same style and a story, a pure sequence story it has. Why? Because of this, because of the stylization. And if you want to create a sequence reel, right, like a story, like a ghost story, you can do that, right? You can create many different style stories, right? Adventure, actions, or romantic, all that. But if you want a same structure, like anime structure, like 3D structure, so you just have to make sure that you add this line in every prompt to create a sequence reel, right? And let me show you my prompts here. As you can see, these are my prompts to create a story I just did, right? So as you can see here, every prompt I am using this animatrix illustration style, fantasy style, natural photo cinematic. This is the same. This is the same in every prompt I am using them to make a same style photo, right? After that, the second step is, when the images are created, let me just show you. And for the same also, and for the same girl, for the same boys, like, you just have to make a girl prompt in every same prompts, right? You don't want to change, right? So this was my prompt, this one and this one. So these 2 prompts are necessary for every image. Okay, so let me just click on the send button, and when I hit the send button, what's happened? If we hit send button again, so let me see. This is the k10.png file, and that is the result for that, right? So that is my prompt, right? Bold tattoo standing at the right side, get face to face to fight with the smug 2 boys in the black suit standing on the left side, right? So that is the result. Oh, well, where you can zoom that? I don't know. So basically, I want to show you that how the image looks like. It's perfect, right? There is no some kind of issues in that image. Okay, so now go to the second step. Our second step is to use the use a video script, and for that you just have to go to the 11 labs, right? And you don't have to pay for the 11 labs, and I'm not paying that. I'm using free version of it, and I'm just sign in, right? And that is my story. That is my according to the reel duration. I just add this, right? And you just have to select the voice from there, and you can choose any voice and click on the generate speech. And when you do that, you can download the audio from here, right? So that is the second step. So the images and the voiceover script is ready in seconds, right? After that, the third step is a video editing software. So the most good video editing softwares I choose is first is my Camtasia, which is currently I am using, right? You can also record the video from that, and you can also create an edit your videos on Camtasia. You just have to download this software, and you are good to go, right? So when you write this on your browser, Camtasia Studio, it will open this page for you, and you just have to download, right? And the second software I will recommend is capwing.com. So that is the second software I recommend. That you can also, you don't have to download this software. You just have to sign in, and you can record, you can add a text to speech, you can dub the video. Dub the video means you can translate the video, right? If you are a Spanish and the video is on English, right? And so you can upload the Spanish video, and you can upload the English video, and it will translate that English video to Spanish ones, right? And you can also learn the voice. So that is the second good software I will recommend. And the third software is for video editing is Canva. You can add a Canva, right? You can use Canva because I'm using Canva, and it's free, and it's good, and it's easy to use. And there is no scientific rocket in that to using the Canva, right? And it's easy to use that thing. You can also create like post to your social media posts, your thumbnails, YouTube thumbnails, and your videos, and all, etc., etc. Your website, you can also create a website in that, bro. And I did that. So that is why I'm recommending you. Okay. So that is third software. After that, and the last thing which I needed is background music. For the background music, you can use Pixels. No, sorry, Pixels, not Pixels, Pixabay. You can use Pixabay for free musics and background music, right? And as you can see in my video, there is a background music that matches perfectly, right? According to my video. My video is on action. So that's how you can create the video. So what you can do is open the Camtasia Studio. Let me open for you guys. Okay, so this is my Camtasia screen, and how I can create reel. By first I have added all the images in, right? And these are my images, and I just click on shift and press image, and all my images are selected right now. Okay, so open, and now you can see the images. You just have to set according to your voice script, right? Okay. So where is my voice script? I guess in my download section. And that is my background music, and that is my voiceover script. So the labs here, and that is the risk video. So let me and that's it, right? And you just have to set the images in that.
Once there is a handsome girl in a suit covered with bold tattoos.
And you just set the images, and click on this export button, and click on this local file, and you just write the name of your video, right? And the location, set the location, and just export, and it will start rendering and create a smooth video for you guys. So that's how I create reel, right? It's a very simple. Just the images, the voiceover script, and the background music. That's it, right? And the third thing, if you want to make your reel more interesting, then you can add video lip syncing, right? And I also try this video lip syncing, but I also tried many softwares, but I didn't like any of them, right? And one is good, but the video quality will be reduced if you use that software, right? So I didn't use that. And for now, currently, I don't know what's the best software, because I didn't see any of it, right? And there are many softwares, but the main thing is they are paid, right? They are paid. So uh, I will find it. I will find the best lip syncing good software for you guys, and then I will create a video, right? So that's how you can create reels. Now let's focus on this last part, which is I told you that how you can earn money from that, right? So my best platforms for selling your digital products are, first, your digital software is Patreon. So this is a very good uh, uh, legit website to earn money, right? You just have to add your post, you can add your post, and you can also sell your products. Like if you says, where is my shop? And these are my shop. This is my shop, right? So you can add a new product, and you can add your book, if you have a book, right? A digital book, then you can add your title, price, description, file, right, image, and you just publish that, right? So that is the first software I will tell you guys. The second software is Gumroad. So Gumroad is a very good software for selling your digital products. It is free, you don't have to pay. I have also tried many selling softwares, like if you search on the internet, sell your digital products. If you right no So if you do that, so if I click on this any link, right, as you can see, Stan, Podia, right, these are paid software. First you have to pay them, then it will align your products to the customers, right, show the products to the customers. So Gumroad is best, right? So Agent Key, all these softwares, and I also tried the Send Owl, Agent Key, and all these softwares. I also tried that, but they are like, I tried many softwares, but they are same, but they are paid, right? You have to pay them first, and then it will list your products to your customers. So that's why I prefer Gumroad, right? And the third software is the Buy My Coffee, Buy Me a Coffee. That's also a software or website, sorry. So you can add your post here, right? And after that, you can also sell your products on Instagram, your Facebook, right? Your Fiverr, your all these platforms. You can on your Twitter, right? You can convert these audience to like your many shops to have. If you have any website, you have any something blogs, or like, so you can if you have a landing page, you can convert the audience to your landing page to that, so the clients can buy your products, right? So that's how you can earn money from them. So I hope you like this video of mine, and if you like, comment, subscribe, or share, and please do comment if you like my videos, so I just know better so what is happening in my videos. If I am causing any issue, if there's an issue, then I will correct it, right? So thank you, bye.